To draw an IKEA style lantern, start by drawing a kind of a rugby ball shape, except it's kind of more round on the top than on the bottom, like that. And then draw two lines straight down and then join them with a curve. Then draw two little lines like that and join them together with a curve, and that's going to be the wire bit that you kind of hold it by or hang it up with, up at the top. Now here we want to draw these kind of two kind of thin sausages coming around. I think this is kind of like where the metal is rolled around, and then that will come down there in a bit of a curve, and then they join up together like that. Come about halfway down that curve, and then these two curves will then make the dome of the lantern, and we join those with a curve too, and we want a couple more sausages. No, just the one sausage I think here, and then we want another kind of one just underneath there. Next, draw a line coming down that way, and this is going to be the post that holds up the glass, like the window frame, I suppose you could think of it. Let's do it about there, and that's sort of going to come about like that, and then join across. That's a sheet of glass. So the next one will be about like that, and then we want another one will be something like that. They join up there, and then we want to come up a little bit and come around, and then we're going to draw a circle around there like that. Two lines down on each side, join them up with a similar curve, and then we draw like a sausage around them all, another curve underneath, and that's like the base. So next we are going to draw the little candle inside. There's like a tea light, which IKEA are so famous for their tea lights, aren't they? We'll put that in there. We'll have a little wick sticking up there, and a candle flame, and then we can have the wax will be around like that. Let's just put some shading in there while we can. Let's just do that like that. And we're probably going to have some shading around the base of the candle in there, like that as well. We're probably going to see a bit of a post in there, and maybe another one down there. And then I'm going to draw a bit of these kind of vertical lines getting shorter and shorter and shorter, and this is just to kind of give a feeling that there's some glass in there really. And then we can put some shading in up here. These are getting narrower and narrower into little dots. A bit of shading there, a bit of shading there, and here these curves will be getting slightly bigger around there, and then we want some shading under there, and we'd have some quite sort of dark shading around the bottom of the whole thing, because the lantern itself is sort of casting a shadow from the flame. And then all you need to do to finish it off is to put some stars in there, a bit like that, and then we'll have a couple under there as well. So the stars go up, down, across, and back. Up, down, across, back. Up, down, across, back. And then we put a little triangle-y thing there. And then we go up, down, across, back. Up, down, across, and back. Up, down, across, and back. And then maybe another little bit there. And then all you need to do is go ping, 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 ping. There you go. Thanks for watching, and make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy, and keep coming back for lots more how to draw stuff videos every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.